Asked in examination MHT CD 2005, where we have given length, that is original length will be equal to capital L of wire, density will be given rho, Young's modulus given y, elongation, that is change in length, is given small l, the load applied to wire, that will be equal to your F, and we have to find out the frequency. This is the wire. Suppose we have given a tension or load equal to F to that wire, there will be a formation of waves. This is the question of stationary waves, right? And we have asked a fundamental frequency L. So these are the options 1, 2, 3, 4 or A, B, C, D. So we know that what is fundamental frequency? Fundamental frequency is equal to 1 upon twice L square root of T by M. We know that what is tension here? Tension in a string, that will be equal to a load, force applied to a string. Because of tension, there will be a formation of stationary wave. There are two progressive waves formed from two different directions, right? So that is your tension will be equal to your load, capital F. So N is equal to 1 upon twice L square root of F upon small m. This will be called as your linear density or mass per unit length. One upon twice L square root of F m by L. My dear friend, here there will be a concept of Young's modulus. In your 11th standard, there will be a chapter named as Mechanical Properties of Solids, or we can say that elasticity in previous syllabus, but that chapter is omitted from your MHT CD syllabus. So I will teach you another concept of Young's modulus. आप सबने वायर देखा है, रबर देखा है. आपण रबराला ओढलं तर काय होते? इलॉन्गेशन. अगर हमने रबर को खींचा तो क्या होगा? इलॉन्गेशन होगा, राइट? और उसको छोड़ दिया तो वो अपने ओरिजिनल जगह पे आ जाएगा. This elasticity is a property of body which can regain its original size and shape after removal of external forces, right? So suppose this will be a wire, as in its original length will be L, right? And suppose we have given a load of force F to that wire, so its length will be changing from L to small l. Means actual length will be capital L, elongation will be small l because of external force. वो external force लगाने के कारण क्या हुआ है? वो वायर की लेंथ चेंज हुई, elongation हुआ इसमें small l से, राइट? छोड़ दिया तो फिर से अपने ओरिजिनल जगह पे आ जाएगा. तो Young's modulus का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Young's modulus is the ratio of stress upon strain. This will be a new concept for you, my dear friends. In previous, it will be a concept in your syllabus. Nowadays, it will be omitted. What is Young's modulus? Young's modulus is the ratio of longitudinal stress upon longitudinal strain, right? Stress is equal to your restoring force per unit cross sectional area. Stress is defined as restoring force per unit cross sectional area. कितना force कितने area के ऊपर लगा है? That is called as your stress. And what is your strain? Change in length upon original length. It is ratio of change in length upon original length. So F upon A into small l into capital L. ये capital L ऊपर गया, ये A नीचे आया, right? This will be a formula for y is equal to FL upon AL. In terms of F, it will be equal to YAL upon capital L. Put this value in this equation number 1. Put 2 in 1. So we will get n is equal to 1 upon twice L square root of YAL upon capital L divided by m upon L. Suppose L get cancelled, we will get here n is equal to 1 upon twice L square root of YAL upon m. Now we know that what is here, we have given a density. In physics, density will be equal to your mass per unit volume. So mass will be equal to your density into volume. In mathematics, you have studied volume is equal to your area into length. So A into L, M will be equal to your rho into A into L. We have to put this value here. Again in equation number 3, put 4 in 3. We will get here 1 upon twice L square root of YAL upon capital M will be equal to rho A L. A get cancelled. In final we will get 1 upon twice L square root of Y into small l upon rho into L. That will be equal to your L. That is your fundamental frequency. 1 upon twice L square root of Y into small l divided by rho into L. Option number A. In this way we have to solve the numericals. East or west? ईस्ट और वेस्ट
is best.
जो हम बोलते हैं वही दुनिया में होता है.